we checking the box in terms of, do I get to work with the people that actually bring me joy and bring me answers? Or am I working with potentially people that are not as helpful or not as friendly as I would have wanted in my SaaS vendor? And, is it actually making my life easier each day? Is the product actually filling the needs, or am I having to create a bunch of workarounds outside of this platform in order to just make it work? Are you having to create a bunch of custom automations to link platforms together? Do they actually integrate together or not? And if they don't, are they willing to integrate, right? That's another thing too, is this vendor willing to hear out your needs? Are they willing to potentially make changes to their product roadmap in order to fit your needs? It might not be immediate, it might not always make sense for that vendor, but at least are they willing to? And do you feel like you are mutually incentivized to have success, right? That might be another big one where, if your vendor is providing you a service that, I don't know, either in pricing or in terms of how the roadmap is built out, that, they aren't incentivized in your growth, it might also be generally a red flag, right? That should make it a little bit clearer that, this vendor is just as incentivized and willing to put in the effort, willing to put in the time, willing to put in the roadmap changes, the feature requests, the integrations, so that I don't have to do it, and we will continue to grow and hit our goals together.